Hey everyone, it's your girl, Name, back with another video. Today we're going to talk about something that's been on all of our minds: wrinkles. They're a natural part of aging, but that doesn't mean we can't age gracefully and keep our skin looking youthful and radiant. We all dream of that smooth, glowing complexion, right? But sometimes, those expensive creams and treatments just aren't in the budget. And you know me, I'm all about that natural, holistic approach. So I've put together 10 of my absolute favorite natural tips to help reduce wrinkles without spending a dime. These tips are all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that can make a big difference in the long run. So, are you ready to embrace your natural beauty and say goodbye to those pesky wrinkles? Let's get started. Alright, let's start with the most important tip: hydration. You've probably heard it a million times, but drinking enough water is crucial for healthy, youthful skin. Think of your skin cells like little grapes. When they're plump and hydrated, they look smooth and wrinkle-free. But when they're dehydrated, they shrivel up, making those fine lines more noticeable. So how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And no, sugary drinks don't count. I like to carry a reusable water bottle with me everywhere I go. It's a great way to stay on track and remind yourself to sip throughout the day. You can even add some natural flavor enhancers like cucumber, lemon, or mint to make your water more refreshing. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Pro tip: if you struggle to drink plain water, try herbal teas or infused water. They're a delicious and healthy way to up your hydration game. Remember, beautiful skin starts from within, so drink up and let your inner glow shine through. Let's talk about skincare. You know how much I love my skincare routine, and one of the most important steps is cleansing your face every single night before bed. Think about it. Throughout the day, your skin is exposed to all sorts of dirt, pollution, makeup, and excess oils. If you don't wash your face before hitting the pillow, all that gunk can clog your pores, leading to breakouts, dullness, and even premature aging. Now, I know it can be tempting to just crash into bed after a long day, but trust me, taking a few minutes to cleanse your face is so worth it. Find a gentle cleanser that works for your skin type and massage it onto your face in circular motions. And don't forget to remove your makeup. Sleeping in your makeup is a big no-no. It can trap dirt and oil, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. A clean canvas is a happy canvas. Make nighttime cleansing a non-negotiable step in your skincare routine, and your skin will reward you with a healthy, youthful glow. Did you know that your sleeping position can actually contribute to wrinkle formation? It's true. When you sleep on your side or stomach, your face is pressed against the pillow, which can create creases in your skin over time. These sleep lines, as they're called, can eventually turn into permanent wrinkles. The good news is that there's a simple solution. Try sleeping on your back. I know it might feel strange at first, especially if you're used to sleeping in a different position, but with a little practice, you can train yourself to become a back sleeper. Sleeping on your back not only helps prevent wrinkles, but it also keeps your spine aligned and can even reduce neck pain. If you find it difficult to stay on your back all night, try using pillows to support your body and keep you from rolling over. Sweet dreams and wrinkle-free mornings. Chapter 4. Protect yourself from the sun. We all love soaking up some sunshine, but did you know that the sun is one of the biggest culprits behind premature aging? It's true. Those harmful UV rays can damage your skin's collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. But don't worry, protecting your skin from the sun doesn't mean you have to hide indoors all day. Just make sun protection a part of your daily routine. Whenever you're heading outside, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to all exposed skin, even on cloudy days. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. You can also protect your skin by wearing protective clothing, like wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses, and seeking shade during peak sun hours. Remember, prevention is key. Chapter 5. Facial massages. Let's talk about facial massages. They're not just incredibly relaxing, but they're also amazing for your skin. Giving yourself a facial massage can help improve blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, promoting a healthy, youthful glow. Plus, it can help to tone and tighten your skin naturally, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. You can use your fingers or a jade roller to gently massage your face in upward motions. Start from the center of your face and work your way outwards, focusing on areas where wrinkles tend to form, like the forehead, between the brows, and around the mouth. Make this a part of your daily skincare routine, either in the morning or evening, and feel the difference. Your skin will feel firmer, smoother, and more radiant. It's like a mini workout for your face. Chapter 6. Eat for glowing skin. You are what you eat, right? Well, that applies to your skin too. Eating a healthy diet is so important for maintaining youthful, radiant skin. Just like our bodies need the right nutrients to function properly, our skin needs a healthy dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to thrive. So, what should you be eating to combat those wrinkles? Load up on fruits and vegetables that are packed with antioxidants like berries, spinach, kale, and carrots. Antioxidants help protect your skin from free radical damage, which can contribute to aging. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet, like those found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. These healthy fats help keep your skin hydrated and plump from the inside out. And don't forget to stay hydrated. We talked about drinking enough water earlier, but it's worth mentioning again because it's that important for healthy skin. Remember, a healthy diet is a long-term investment in your skin's health and youthful appearance. Chapter 7. Get moving. Let's get physical. Did you know that regular exercise isn't just good for your body but also amazing for your skin? When you exercise, you increase blood flow throughout your body, including to your skin. This boost in circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, promoting a healthy, youthful glow. Exercise also helps to flush out toxins from your body, which can contribute to skin problems like acne and dullness. Plus, when you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. And when you feel good, you look good. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or hitting the gym, and make it a regular part of your routine. Chapter 8. Cold therapy. Have you ever heard of cold therapy for your skin? It might sound a little strange, but trust me, it's a game changer. Applying something cold to your face, like an ice cube or a cold compress, can help to constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness and inflammation. It's also great for tightening pores and giving your skin a more toned appearance. Try incorporating a quick cold therapy session into your morning skincare routine. Simply wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth and gently massage it onto your face for a few seconds at a time. You can also splash your face with cold water after cleansing. Your skin will feel instantly refreshed, tightened, and revitalized. Chapter 9. Reduce stress. Let's talk about stress. We all experience stress in our lives, but did you know that chronic stress can actually wreak havoc on your skin? When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can break down collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Stress can also trigger inflammation, making skin conditions like acne and eczema worse. So, what can you do to manage stress and protect your skin? Find healthy coping mechanisms that work for you, whether it's practicing yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, listening to music, or indulging in a warm bath. Taking time for yourself to relax and de-stress is not selfish. It's essential for your overall well-being, including the health and appearance of your skin. Chapter 10. Smile more. This last tip is my absolute favorite and the easiest one to implement. Smile more. You've probably heard the saying, laughter is the best medicine, and it's true. When you smile, you release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. And as we just learned, reducing stress is crucial for healthy, youthful skin. But smiling does more than just boost your mood. It also exercises your facial muscles, which can help to tone and tighten your skin naturally. Plus, when you smile, you radiate positivity and confidence, which makes you even more beautiful. So, flash those pearly whites as often as you can. It's a simple yet powerful way to lift your mood, reduce stress, and enhance your natural beauty. So there you have it, my loves. 10 natural, effective, and budget-friendly tips to help you reduce wrinkles and achieve that youthful, radiant glow you deserve. Remember, true beauty comes from within, from taking care of your mind, body, and soul. Incorporate these tips into your daily life and watch as your skin transforms, becoming smoother, brighter, and more youthful looking. And the best part? You don't need expensive creams or treatments to achieve amazing results. Try these tips today and watch your wrinkles fade away naturally. Like and share for more beauty secrets.